Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you connect your Bitget wallet to any DApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application at very first, and after opening the application you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select this discover section at bottom bar. Tap into that and then you will directly get this section of popular DApps. Now you can just simply scroll and check all of the DApps which might be suitable for you. You can also tap to expand and check for other applications into here. Just simply select the DApp which you would like to connect with your Bitget wallet, and after selecting that specific app, you just simply have to check this mark in order to accept privacy terms and policy. Then just simply tap to confirm, and after doing this, your Bitget wallet will successfully be connected with other DApps that you want to. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.